Here's an idea to boost your LinkedIn presence and your professional brand all in one hit. And that is to create a LinkedIn article all about you. In it, you might want to talk about your career, how you got to where you are currently, what you enjoy about your work, your milestones, what you've learned, some of the challenges that you've had to overcome. In a long-form article, you have the opportunity to go into quite a bit of detail that you can't in a shorter post. There are other advantages too, and one of those is SEO. So if you construct your article with some good keywords and keyword phrases that are indexed by Google, then you'll be found in searches on LinkedIn and off for those phrases. It's very hard to underestimate the value of SEO over the long haul. So while your article may or may not do well right at the start, over the weeks and months and potentially years, it really will get traction. Now, articles are an excellent way to go into not only a bit more detail, but also detail in different formats. For example, you might want to add a short video. There's the opportunity to add presentations, images as well. You can also tag people, and you can add in company pages. Plus, with articles and newsletters, you can format the text. There's so much that you can do to make your article on LinkedIn stand out. In a way, it can almost become a website all of its own because it has its own URL that you can then use to promote yourself. You might, for example, put it in your email footer. There's no question in my mind that articles are a great way to tell people more about us, to showcase our skills and abilities. And now that we can put a video at the top of our articles too, that's even more reason to be thinking about doing one. So I encourage you, if you've not thought about putting together a LinkedIn article about you and your career, why not think about it now?